Hey guys, Nick Hutchinson with MarineMax Clearwater here. Today I've got a brand new 2020 19 Montauk that I wanted to show you. This is a fantastic boat, not only to get you out fishing, but also for the whole family to enjoy. We've got seating for up to 8 on it, including this big bow area for sun lounging. You've got a double seat that's on top of an integrated cooler right in front of your center console, as well as a large helm seat that's convertible with a live well underneath it, and even 2 seats in the aft there that have removable backrests that turn into rod holders, remove the bottom cushions. Actually, you can remove pretty much every cushion on this boat and everything turns into a big casting platform. So whether you're looking for a day out with the family beach hopping, or just gonna get out there, get in the flats, because this is a hybrid boat as well, or even get offshore and do some bottom fishing, this is a great boat for you. So let's take a little more of a walk around here. You notice underneath the boat here, as we come down, you've got a tandem axle galvanized trailer that does come included with this boat. At the rear, we've got a designated swim platform with a stainless steel telescoping ladder, 150 horsepower Mercury engine with a stainless steel prop on it already. Lots of rod holders, everything has designated storage on here. A big live well, this whole underside here is a live well. The seat flips around so you can face either forward or backwards. If you notch it in the middle, you also have a leaning post so you can drive standing up. We do have a fusion radio system installed on this boat already. Electronics are not installed yet, but we've got plenty of space there to put in any kind of glass panel you're looking for, whether it be Garmin, Raymarine, Simrad, whatever you're looking for. And the bimini top, as you can see, is all nice stainless hardware with stainless struts as well, so it's not going to shake around while you're under speed. It also has quick release, so if you want to remove that top for the day, just 2 little pins, you don't need to get out any tools or anything. If you guys have any other questions on this boat, feel free to give me a call, text, or email. My information's right there below. Thanks.